89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. The Morning Brew Show, 11:39 is the time right now. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Hey, only 2 more days to go for the Choco Loco Choco Festival Carnival at Royal Duty Free Shop. The promo, the Chocolate Carnival Festival promo is up until August 7 only. Malapit nang matapos, ha? So you guys better hurry. Avail of the double the points on your RPC cards, Royal Privilege cards, when you purchase on participating brands, okay? At the Chocolate Carnival, August 7, last day. Head on to Royal Duty Free Shops now, okay? And check out their official social media pages for more inquiries, for more details, to keep you updated on what's the latest, okay? And also their official website, www.royalsubic.com, where their catalog is always posted. And time now for today's holidays and observances. And the famous birthdays brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport branch and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch. 2 branches to serve you. All right, they serve mouth-watering burgers, fries, and other tasty snacks that are sure to fit your budget and satisfy your cravings. The Subic Bay Freeport branch is at stall number 18, one-stop shop building, just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. And of course, the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch at Lincoln Heights Subdivision in Dinalupian, Bataan. Here's the official text digits. Call or text for deliveries 0927-895-9714. For Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting quarter pounder flame grilled burgers and a whole lot more. Wawas Jr. And on with today's holidays and observances. August 5, 2024. Wow. We just welcomed August and already it's the 5th day. And hey, we had a great July, huh? A great month of July. Pero we had a wonderful start for August. Buong bayan is nagdidiwang. This guy, Carlos Yulo, he really is something, huh? 2 golds already. 2 golds in just 2 days. Day 1 of competition, gold. Day 2, gold again. Eh ngayong day 3 kaya ng competition niya, ano ba kaya? Baka may pangatlo pa, ano? May pangatlo pa bang day siya? Hindi ko alam, I don't know. It depends on what he's participating in, you know? Yung isa kasi is the floor exercises, and then the second one was came from, what's that called? I forgot. Yung ganun pa rin, bale-balentong pa rin, tumbling-tumbling pa rin. Diyan siya magaling eh, no? Okay? From palarong pangbansa champion to becoming Olympic champion. Pero prior to Olympic champion, he became world champion eh. Back in, what year was that? Again, I forgot. He became world champion before becoming an Olympic champion, okay? So congratulations, kababayan, Carlos Yulo. Thank you for bringing us glory and pride, okay? And August 5, holidays and observances, National Oyster Day, yung mga mahilig sa oyster. And Electric Traffic Light Day. You know, that's one of the most important inventions of mankind, the electric traffic light. Maybe one dude was like, you know, nakakapagod, nakangawit mag-direct ng traffic. Mag-invento nga ako ng something. Ayun, lights. Traffic lights. Today is also Underwear Day. So, hindi to yung this is opposite the no underwear. This is underwear, mag-underwear. Pero di naman sinabi kung underwear lang talaga ang susuotin, parang ganon. Basta, to honor underwear. For protecting and hugging your precious jewels. Underwear. August 5 is also Picnic Day. All right, or as Yogi Bear puts it, picnic, the picnic day, picnic basket. We used to have a picnic table outside the station. Somebody took it away, and I'm pissed when it was taken away. Sarap tumambay dun eh. Nasaan na ba yung picnic table natin? What happened to that? Today is also Assistance Dog Day. There you go. Dogs have jobs. That's the wonderful thing about dogs, eh, no? Hindi kagaya ng pusa, di ba? Wala naman trabaho yung mga pusa eh. Yung dogs, may mga dogs na may trabaho eh. Oh, yeah, meron na rin pala, no? Yung pets that will make children, you know, feel good, feel better in hospitals for children. Yeah, okay. Today is also Green Peppers Day. Yeah. Similar. Dog Day. Yeah, okay. Nakalagay kasi work like a dog. Yun na rin eh. Dog Assistance Day. Similar thing. So there you have it. Celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays is up next. Those are today's holidays and observances. And for all of you August 5 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Famous people celebrating the birthdays today include, he's really famous, not just here, worldwide. Richard J. Gordon, all right? The former mayor, former senator, Richard J. Gordon, Filipino politician and broadcaster. He had, numerous radio and TV shows and programs that's he's the host, or he is the host, okay? So our dear Senator Richard J. Gordon, happy birthday to you, good sir. He was born August 5, 1945. You know, my father is a big fan of his, you know. It brings back flashes of memories back in the early 90s when I was just young, late 80s, early 90s when we were fighting for Subic Bay Freeport. Dati kasi US Naval Base, and he initiated ARGO, Autonomous Region of Greater Olongapo. For those who are not familiar, what is ARGO? Sabihin na lang natin, that gave the birth, that started it all for this to become Subic Bay Freeport Zone, being governed by the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Right? Pinaglaban niya yan ni Senator Richard Gordon. My father, being a big fan of his, ano man yung mga pinaglalaban ni Senator Gordon, nakasuporta. Yun. And sinasama ako along with me. Yeah, we did rallies, we did yung mga pinaglalaban, protest. I was with him, with my father, and we were with him. Naalala ko tuloy yung one thing I'll always remember is the protest we participated in dito sa main gate, what is now the SM City Olongapo downtown. Dati kasi hindi pa yan SM downtown noon, di ba? Naging City Mall muna yan. Situated at Lot 21. We used to call it Lot 21. Yeah, nandoon kami noon nagrarally para sa maging ARGO ang Greater Subic Bay Freeport area now. Yan, kasama yon. Okay? Sa mga pinaglalaban namin. Tapos and then it became successful, naging Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, pati sa Senate nga pala. Yan, in Manila. We participated in rallies para doon pinaglaban namin, kasama tayo doon. Yan, isa sa mga maipagmamalaki natin, being an original volunteer, okay? Yan. And then this became the Subic Bay Freeport na yun, naging SBMA chairman and administrator na. When he was ousted, again nakipaglaban ulit kami, nagrally ulit sa sa main gate. Yan. Ganun talaga di ba? If you want to have something, kung may pinaglalaban ka talaga, something that's worthwhile, ipaglalaban mo talaga, di ba? Ayun. Naalala ko yung song na laging piniplay when we were there at the main gate. The song goes like, I guess some of you are familiar. Ako ang nagtanim at nag-ani at nagluto at nagsaing, pero nang naluto ay iba ang kumain. Holds true up to now, ha? Up to now yung mga nandoon, yung tinutukoy doon sa iba ang kumain. Wag na natin sabihin. Yeah, up to now. Up to now. Yeah, nandyan sila. Acting like they started the whole thing. Yeah. All right, moving on. Yeah, Senator Richard Gordon, happy birthday to you. And the next up, we have Anthony Edwards of the NBA. He is part of the Team USA battling in the Olympics. All right. He is one of today's most popular player, and I don't know. Some say parang siya daw ang he has the makings of becoming the next Michael Jordan, parang ganon. I don't know. Well, to each his own. He's good and all, but there will never ever be another Michael Jordan, if you ask me. Okay, and next up we have Neil Armstrong. I think he's the most popular astronaut like ever, and the first ones to do it. Mhm. Along with with Buzz Aldrin and who's the other guy? Tatlo sila eh. The first three on the moon. All right. They made the phrase popular that goes like one small step for mankind, one giant leap. Diba? In the likes of that, I'm not sure. He was also an aerospace engineer, test pilot. Yeah, Neil Armstrong. Birth anniversary for him, August 5, 1930. He passed away in 2012. And Jesse Williams, you probably know him as Dr. Jackson Avery on TV's Grey's Anatomy. August 5, 1981, turns 43 today. And lastly, Louis Walsh from Ireland, one of the most popular judges on TV talent competition, the X Factor. He was also judge on Britain's Got Talent, Ireland's Got Talent. He's a funny guy. I like him. I like his character, you know. He turned 72 today. Louis Walsh. All right. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you August 5 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. Text or call me. Text greetings, birthday shoutouts, or whatever. Do it now. Save the number as well. Baka kailangan nyo ng MC for your events. Yeah, I don't have a transition for it, so there's no segue for it. Direkta na. For the meantime, giving you something now from the band called Angels and Airwaves. This is called The War, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman.